Friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make curved spring in SolidWorks. So let's begin. At first click here, select part and click OK. Now go to sketch and click on sketch again, this sketch, and from here select top plane. Now go to circle and select a circle, and from this point draw a circle. Okay, now go to smart dimension and take this dimension 400 mm. Okay, now exit. Now select front plane, sketch. Now click on spacebar and select normal to. Now select this line and from this end point draw a line. Now go to smart dimension and take this dimension just 20 mm. Okay. Okay, now go to surface and select swept surface and select this line. Now select the circle. Now go to options and from here select twist, profile twist, and from here select specify twist value, and from here select revolutions and take revolutions 100. Okay. Now go to features and from here select sweep boss or base, and from here select circular profile and take this one 2 mm. Okay. Now again select sweep boss or base, select circular profile and take this one 2 mm, and now select this portion. Okay. This is okay. Now from here go to insert, and from insert go to features, and from features go to delete or keep body. Now select this one, inner portion, and okay. So this is our curved spring. Now we need to modify this one. So to modify this curved spring, so we need to go to apply material. So from here click right button and go to edit material, and from here go to aluminium and select 1020 alloy, or you can select any of the material. Apply and close. Now from here go to edit appearance. Now I'm selecting this one. Now just I am selecting this color, yellow. Okay. Now just change the background. Okay. So this is our curved spring. So friends, if you think that this video is useful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos, and if you have any question you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.